Good morning students. This is ET faculty Mahesh from TSWRS JC Boys Devarkadra, Mahbubnagar district. Today in our electrical technician course we are going to study about paper 2, that is domestic appliances and rewinding. In this we have already started our first unit, introduction of domestic appliances. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about terminology and definitions uh, regarding IS 302, Indian Standard 302. Okay, we discussed about rated voltage range, working voltage, rated input watts, and basic insulation. Okay, in today remaining terminologies we are going to discuss. In that, first one is class 1 appliances. Okay, what is class 1 appliances? These appliances not only having insulation for electric protection, it is also having additional protection, additional safety precautions are taken for the class 1 appliances. What is additional precautions means, if the appliances is made by any metal conducting parts, if the appliance is constructed with any conducting parts, suppose any part is any part is designed with a metal conducting part, it should be it should be provided with a proper ground wiring. Okay, it should have earth wire, so that if the person who is operating the class 1 appliances should should be safeguarded from the electric shocks and overcurrents. Okay, next, thermostat is a temperature sensing device which makes the temperature normal by opening or closing the circuit when the temperature rises or falls. Okay, if the temperature is raised to some rated temperature to above temperature, then the circuit will, it automatically opens the circuit so that the operation will be shut down. Okay, again if it comes back to the normal temperature, it closes the circuit so that the appliances normally works. Okay, this is the operation of thermostat. Next, temperature limiter, uh, here a rated temperature, there will be if any appliances is operating, there will be a rated value and also rated temperature. If that appliances, uh, the grace period will be 120% of the rated temperatures, that is 120% into the rated temperature. Okay, 120% into rated temperature, the obtained value which is having, the temperature limiter will limits the temperature at that extent. Okay, here if the temperature is rises above the limiting value, then it closes or opens the circuit so that it safeguards the appliance. Okay, next, thermal cutout. Here thermal cutout means, if the temperature is raised to safeguard the appliances, it cutouts the supply. It cutouts the current drawing from the source. Okay, it cutouts the current so that automatically it shut down the appliance. Type test is carried to confirm whether the required appliances is having required standards or required quality or required design. Okay, the appliances is made up to the standards or not. To check this, type test is done. And acceptance test is done on some samples from the lot of materials or lot of equipments or lot of appliances. Some samples are taken and test is done. Same like rice, if we cook, if we want to check the rice is cooked or not, we will take some sample rice particles from the utensil and we will test. Okay, in that way acceptance test is done by taking some samples from the lot of appliances or materials or lot of equipments. Okay, next, routine test is carried to check all equipments, okay, all items. In acceptance test we are checking by taking some samples, but in routine test we are checking all the items, okay, we are checking all the items whether the item is having essential requirement or not. Okay. General requirement. What is general requirement? Appliances should be designed and constructed in such a way that it should not it should not cause any harm to the person surrounding the appliances and should not cause any surroundings around the appliances in normal condition. Okay, normal operating condition, it should not do any harm to the any person and any environment. In a normal operation also some hazards are happened. Okay, the general requirement is in a normal operation it should not do any harm to the person and also any harm to the surroundings. These tests are done by flash test, insulation resistance test and a leakage current test. If a person is operating normally any appliances, if he placed his hand on the appliances, okay, if any leakage current is occurred, it may get he may get shocked. Okay, these are the general requirement. In a normal operating condition it should not cause any harm to the person and also any harm. Temperature rise. Appliances and their surroundings should not attain excessive temperature in normal use. For a normal operation condition, any appliance should not get overheated. We have to check the appliances for every instant of time whether the appliances is getting overheated or not. Generally, this sudden rise in heat occurs due to the materials which are used in the appliances. Okay, some parts are made up of different types of materials. Okay, these materials have some properties to sudden rise in temperature. Okay, we have to check in before designing the product. Okay, next, components are made by some specifications. Okay, these all components are used to these all electrical components are covered by separate specification. This cover should have the casing should have some specification uh, specification set by BIS. Okay, BIS is nothing but Bureau of Indian Standards. We have to follow the Bureau of Indian Standards specification. Okay, the cover should have some specification made by Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay. Okay students, in next class we are going to study about classification of domestic appliances as per Indian standard. Okay, Indian standards, IE. Okay, IE standards. If you have any doubts regarding today's class, please post your comment below this video. Okay, I can explain your doubts. Thanks for watching today's class.